If you think gas cars last longer than EVs, this could cost you thousands over the next 10 years, because the real answer isn't what most people think, and the numbers are starting to prove it. Most people believe gas cars last longer. Why? Because we've seen them survive 200,000, even 300,000 kilometers. EVs still feel new, risky, unproven. But here's the problem: longevity isn't just about how long a car runs, it's about how much it costs to keep it running. So over 10 years, which one actually wins? Let's break this down step by step. First factor, engine versus battery. First, let's look at the core difference. A petrol car has over 2,000 moving parts. An EV motor, around 20 more parts means more failure points. Battery reality check: modern EV batteries typically degrade around 1 to 2% per year. After 10 years, most still retain about 80 to 90% capacity. We will come to cost translation. A petrol engine rebuild, it will cost between $4,000 to $10,000. Battery replacement? Yes, expensive, but here's the catch. Most batteries last longer than the car itself. Now here's where it gets interesting: petrol cars don't fail all at once. They slowly drain your wallet. Oil changes, transmission repairs, cooling systems, exhaust systems, small costs over and over again. But here's what no one tells you: EVs flip the equation, almost no maintenance. But one big fear: battery replacement. Second factor, maintenance. Over time, over 10 years, petrol maintenance cost is between $8,000 to $15,000, and EV maintenance cost also is between $2,000 to $5,000. That's a difference of roughly $6,000 to $10,000. Now here's the part most people miss. Third factor, heat and usage. Longevity isn't just about the car. It's about how you use it. Battery reality check: fast charging increases heat, and heat accelerates chemical aging. But if you mostly charge at home, battery degradation slows significantly. Here as the practical scenarios for daily commuter: if you drive 40 kilometers a day and charge at home, you could still have over 85% battery after 10 years full road tripper. Also, if you fast charge once a week, that degradation increases, but not catastrophic. The last is for apartment owner: no home charging. Now the equation changes: more fast charging equals more long-term stress. Here is the cost translation for a daily commuter: EV saves around $1,000 per year in fuel alone. That's $10,000 over 10 years. Fourth factor, software and hidden value. Petrol cars age mechanically. EVs can actually improve software updates. Efficiency gains, and feature unlocks. Your car gets better over time, so hitch lasts longer after 10 years. Mechanically, EVs win. Financially, EVs often win, but there's one exception: if you rely heavily on fast charging or keep your battery at extreme temperatures. That advantage shrinks financially. EVs make more sense if you can charge at home and drive consistently. But longevity isn't the biggest hidden cost. Battery cost replacement between EV and FEV matter even more than battery size, because one habit can silently reduce your battery life over time, and almost no one talks about it. So knowing this, would you still choose Go electric? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.